Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and middle frame. Removal. Disconnect the audio board ribbon cable from its connector on the audio board. Carefully remove the audio board from the alignment pins and retention tabs. Turn the audio board over and disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the audio board. Remove the audio board. Replacement. Connect the speaker cable into its connector on the audio board. Turn the audio board over, tow it underneath the retention tab, and lower it onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Connect the audio board ribbon cable into its connector on the audio board.